PowerSmart Snow Blower 24-inch, 212cc engine gas-powered, 2-stage snowblower, corded electric start. This was my first snowblower purchase. Saw several great reviews for this blower, and considering the power, size and options you get here for the price, it convinced me to pull the trigger. It arrived on a FedEx freight semi outside of my home and was dropped off at the end of my driveway in a steel crate. Had to maneuver it up my driveway into the garage on a dolly. Disassembly of the crate is straightforward and easy with a 10mm socket. Only a little hardware to put it all together. Cables are pre-ran, you just have to connect them before assembling the upright handle and controls. Once tightened down, you connect the chute, add oil, 16 ounces. Which is about 2/3 of a quart, gas, prime it, 3 to 5 pushes, choke and start. The electric start will be my preferred method and is what I tested first. Simply connect the end of your 3-prong extension cord and press the button. Cranks up quick, and after a few seconds of the choke you slide the carb to the wide open throttle setting. This blower does not have a throttle control, it's either choke or watt. It runs without you holding any handles, but does require you to squeeze the right handle to engage the 6-speed forward and 2-speed reverse transmission. Left handle engages the auger, blade assembly, which is 1 speed. Let go and the blade stops. The unit is quite heavy, billed at 180 pounds on the shipping label and probably a good 150 assembled out of the crate. It feels stable and sturdy. I am 62, and just under 300 pounds. It balances well enough for me that if I were to lose my footing behind it on slippery ice, I feel like I could stabilize just by holding onto it. This attracted me to purchasing this, because I wanted something heavy and brutish that didn't feel like it would topple over if I applied my own weight on it. The 212cc engine seems very powerful. The box says that this is made in China, but is shipped out of Illinois. In my case, within 24 hours of purchasing on Amazon, it had been shipped out and I had it in 3 days. Really looking forward to the end of 2020 with this beast slinging the Wisconsin snow off my driveway and sidewalk. This may even be the year to teach my 11-year-old son how to get it done the easy way. No more snow shoveling for us. Get this snowblower. Lastly, as an unadvertised bonus, it also includes a branded thermal mug. We washed the china off it before using it, but otherwise very happy with this so far. It is comparable to most $800 to $1,000 2-stage, American-made, with foreign overseas parts. Cough China cough, snowblowers, and has just as good of a warranty, 2 years, with a US dealer and 800 number to call. Why? Fast delivery, great pricing, snowblower starts right up and blows snow great. Very happy with the purchase. Thank you. I got this in April. I live in Minnesota. I assembled this in 20 minutes. I came in a box with a metal cage. Great, no damage. It does not come with oil. I got oil and put premium gas with stable in it. Fired it up and it all seems great. We will see in December when I need it how it will do. I will update my review if it fails to do what is needed. Would have given 5 stars if not for shipping. Solid snow blower. Looks good. Assembly was pretty straightforward, about 40 minutes. Instructions were vague, but if you can turn a wrench you can figure it out. Add gas and don't forget the oil, it's not included. Started right up in 2 pulls. Though it did arrive early, the problems came with the crate arriving damaged. Looks to be mostly cosmetic, scuffing off of paint and powder coating. The intake guard took a little beating though. We'll see how it does this winter. Snowblower was shipped quickly and arrival was delayed by FedEx. However, it was very well packaged and arrived with all parts intact. Assembly was easy and quick. Looks be sure to fill engine with oil first, then it will start right up. We haven't had a big snow yet, but we got 3 or 4 inches, and be careful. It'll throw the snow across the street to my neighbor's driveway if I let it. Just be careful where you aim the chute. The engine does not have an adjustable throttle, but you can aim the chute down to decrease distance thrown. It's kinda loud. Overall a good snowblower for the price. Incomplete instructions on cable assembly. My biggest problem is with the chute rotation crank. the offset in the handlet is way too short. 3, should be at least 6, making it too hard to chank. Also, the electric start hookup is in a hard place to access, making it difficult to plug in. Still a good purchase. PowerSmart Engineering should see this review. This PowerSmart Snow Blower has reliably worked since I purchased it 1 month ago. I have used it for a couple snowy days and for the aftermath of a South Dakota blizzard. This is the first snowblower I have ever owned and used. I use it around my residence on the snowy and windy north side of town. Pluses. Shipped reliably from USA. Low cost, works reliably, easy to use, easy to assemble if you read the instructions before attempting to assemble. Tackles any job with great effectiveness. Minuses. Reverse doesn't always work. I usually have an easier time letting the gear disengage and pulling it backwards. Reverse gears work about 60% of the time. I'm 6 feet 5 inches and this snowblower puts some strain on my back as I have to hunch in order to maneuver properly. It's made for the average size person. The strain is nothing compared to what it would take to shovel, and I know the shovel strain well. Low score for maneuverability. I have a hard time turning it and have to manhandle it. The instructions for use and assembly were very articulate, but I had a hard time reading them. It's as if they were a copy of a copy. Overall, I would buy another one of these machines in the future. The minuses are small emo, and the price tag is really great for what the machine is. No nonsense, reliable, easy to use. Tried my new snowblower today. It was shipped by FedEx Freight and received very quickly. The snowblower works very well. Started on first try. Very happy with the product. Great product, great delivery, much better than the Yard Machine snowblower I had. Click link in description for purchase and more reviews.